Hello all, this is Kaushik. I am from Aequs Infra. Aequs Infra owns and operates 3 industrial parks spread over 1100 acres in the northern part of Karnataka. These 3 parks are meant for aerospace, toys and consumer durable segment. We offer build-to-suit facilities and other enabling services for the customer to leverage to derive maximum operational efficiencies. We are happy to take part in VDMA's 12th Mechanical Engineering Summit. We are their proud golden sponsor. So we hope to reach out to all the German industry for them to leverage our strengths that we have built over the last 15 years. And we look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.